Well, here we are setting up our camp, and a couple more people actually pulled up next to us and said, "Hey, did you guys rent this site for the night?" I said, "Yeah, we rented it." And apparently they called into the state forest office and asked if they could come up here, and they told them that they could come up here and do whatever. I don't know. So apparently they're staying the night over there. So I said, "Yeah, there's plenty of room here for both of us. That's fine." So we have neighbors tonight, but it is what it is. We'll be all right. Well, we're heading out in a snowstorm today, doing some snow camping, and the roads are sloppy. As soon as we came out our road from our house, I was fishtailing already coming around a corner there, which is pretty sketchy with the camper on the back here. So definitely not a fun experience. We didn't even get up into the mountain here yet, so it's going to be interesting to see how this goes tonight and tomorrow. We made it to camp. Man, this is a huge campsite. Oh my word. You could get horse trailers up here. There's actually a hitching post. There's 2 hitching posts, as well as a fire ring, picnic table. Beautiful campsite on the side of the mountain here. So, Jor, let's get camp set up.
Yeah.
Let's get the camper up. Brought a couple of rounds along with us tonight to split and have some dry firewood. We had some firewood left over from the last time we were out camping last weekend. So we got sleeping bags in here in the back corner. We got brought along a pop-up canopy. So we got a new 270 awning, but it's not on the camper yet. So we brought along this little pop-up for today. Got a lunchbox. That's our cooler with food in it. Of course, you know, our wood stove there. So we're gonna get that fired up here in a little bit after we get the camper set up. We have a ladder in here. The ladder's underneath everything, but that's gonna get mounted. It's gonna get strapped to this. So that's where that's gonna live, I think. Oh man, that is nice. Nice on the table too. Holy smokes. Yeah. For what it's worth. Well, here we are setting up our camp, and a couple more people actually pulled up next to us and said, "Hey, did you guys rent this site for the night?" I said, "Yeah, we rented it." And apparently they called into the state forest office and asked if they could come up here, and they told them that they could come up here and do whatever. I don't know. So apparently they're staying the night over there. So I said, "Yeah, there's plenty of room here for both of us. That's fine." So we have neighbors tonight, but it is what it is. We'll be all right. We got a couple more pieces of stovepipe, so now the chimney is above the roof line, hopefully making our draft a little bit better. Last weekend, we ran into an issue with the chimney blowing smoke right into the window when it's opened. It does get warm in the camper with the stove going, and it's necessary to be able to open that window. And I think we have that problem solved now.
We've developed an ash pile at the bottom of the pit to stop all of the water in the puddle.
Oh, okay.
Now it's just a matter of getting the water out of that wood.
Well, it seems like she's going nicely now. Yeah.
Even some of the wetter stuff caught fire.
Want some nice coals before we cook supper.
We finally did it. We successfully made fire in a winter camping video. I suppose third time's the charm.
Third time. You got her, bud.
Yes.
You got her.
I'll stay here a while, sitting around the fire. Something about that is therapy to me.
That is one beautiful fire.
I agree.
Well, man, guys, supper smells good. Smells really good, but I think our tin foil had a little slit in it because the butter leaked all over the stove here. So we're seasoning the stove with butter.
That's delectable.
Delectable. All right.
Yeah, kind of tastes like lobster.
Lobster, huh? We're eating off the back of the tailgate tonight.
Yes.
You don't get to eat like this at home.
No.
Maybe we see if Mom will eat off the tailgate with us.
Mm.
Do you think we should do it?
No.
Not a chance. The moment of truth. I'm gonna try this. Here we go. The sausage. Wow, that is good.
I know, right?
About broccoli and a carrot.
Mm. Mm.
Man, that's good.
scrumptious.
Really good. That's just a pack of sweet sausage from Wise Markets, and a bag of frozen broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and cheesy sauce from the frozen section. Super easy. A little bit of butter and tin foil.
And we'll be making mountain pies too, right?
Yeah, I think we're gonna have some mountain pies for dessert once this. Looks like that fire's just about ready. Got some nice coals out there, so
That time's a charm with that thing.
we got a fire tonight.
Yeah. And it
Really?
took us 3 winter camping trips.
This is the third one, huh?
Yeah, at least.
Yep. So we got a fire tonight. That's really nice. Been a while since we had any of these. Jordan, I don't think, has ever experienced a true mountain pie.
Only mountain pie pizza.
Mountain pie pizza. So this is Jordan's first time experiencing mountain pies tonight with cherry pie filling.
Tastes like one of those strudels from the fridge.
Okay, yep. We're putting down the awning here, the canopy, and it is just full of ice. Kind of cool. And all that ice on there. Alright guys, we're about done for the night here. We're in the camper, we're upstairs, got the wood stove loaded up. Man, it's just such a great day out here today camping.
Much better than the other time.
Better than the other times, yeah. And even with the bad weather, we were supposed to get a few inches of snow. We really didn't get more than what we had when we got here. Once we got here, it started kind of freezing rain, all that stuff. So there is a layer of
Hardly even a drizzle.
hardly a drizzle. There's a little bit of ice on everything, so I'll have to be a little bit careful coming down out of the mountain here tomorrow. But all in all, not bad. Not bad weather. When I was looking earlier, they were actually saying that there was supposed to be high winds today and tonight, and there really isn't any winds right now. It's very calm, very peaceful out. Just a really beautiful evening. Did notice the temperature started to drop outside right before we came in. So I'd say it's probably down around or probably low 20s right now outside. And in here, we're probably about 75 degrees upstairs here with the wood stove going. So can't complain about that. Really nice in here. So, oh, also, hey, so in the last couple weeks here, we got monetized. Man, thank you guys for helping us get this channel monetized. We've been doing this over 3 years now. And so to get to that point now after 3 years, really cool to see that. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing our videos. It's really cool when people actually watch what you're creating and spending all this time doing. So thank you guys for that. Yeah, so also, hey, when you like, when you subscribe, when you comment, it helps push our videos out to more people, so we appreciate that. All right, one more thing, guys, before we sign off for the night, I wanted to show you here. Jordan has a YouTube channel as well, so check it out. He does, what do you do, Jor?
I do 3D modeling.
3D modeling. So basically, he makes these characters and puts it on fast forward, and you can watch the speed model as he's designing these characters. It's pretty cool. So check it out, Supreme Delirier on YouTube here. We're going to put the link down in the description, so give him a like and follow as well, subscribe.
Don't watch if you're disconcerted easily. The videos play at 8 times speed when I'm not just yapping.
It's pretty neat, though. Check it out. All right, we'll see you next time, guys.